The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 8th of July. I'm James Spann. Very moist air mass stays in place across the state today and tomorrow. Showers probably thinning out a little bit by the time the weekend gets here. And Elsa riding up the Atlantic coast of the United States today. Here we go. This is the upper air look. We've got a big upper high, again, building back in the western states where they are still hot and they are still dry. Got broad troughing in through here. And again, Elsa over South Carolina early this morning. That was the radar about 5 o'clock. Got a little patchy light rain over parts of North Alabama. As the day begins, the sky mostly cloudy. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 60s and low 70s. Birmingham at 72. We're expecting highs in the mid 80s today, and that's still below average. We should be in the low 90s here on the 8th of July based on averages. There's the watch warning map up the Atlantic coast. We have tropical storm warnings and flash flood watches there. A tornado watch for parts of the eastern Carolinas. Flash flood watch for parts of South Texas, and heat issues out in the western states with that upper high. There's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Got a standard slight risk for the coast of the Carolinas with Elsa. Also risk of severe storms up north across the high plains. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over the upper Atlantic coast with Elsa. Also a risk out across the heartland. And day 3, which is Saturday, got a marginal risk north and west of Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Once again, the west is dry. Heavier rain totals elsewhere around the Midwest. Down here for the Tennessee Valley, amounts between 1 and 2 inches, generally 1/2 inch or less for the rest of the state. So Tropical Storm Elsa producing those spiral bands over the South Carolina coast. They've had some tornado warnings this morning. That's been really the main issue with this thing, has been tornadoes from Jacksonville up through the Georgia coast. The system will keep on moving up the upper Atlantic coast. By tomorrow afternoon, it will likely be near Cape Cod. And then by Saturday, up in the Canadian Maritimes, becoming post-tropical. Also watching that big disturbance in the western Gulf, producing a lot of rain for the Texas coast. That's not a tropical system. And the good news, otherwise, things are awfully quiet across the Atlantic basin. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. Got a 594 upper high out west. Broad troughing over the eastern states. And again, an ocean of humidity down here. Air you can wear. And cloudy at times with a number of showers and storms around today, especially this afternoon. Elsa over the North Carolina-Virginia border. Tomorrow, pretty much the same thing. Cloudy at times, scattered to numerous showers and storms, especially tomorrow afternoon. Then Saturday, the air should be a little drier. The precipitable water values coming down, so partly sunny with scattered mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Odds of any one spot getting wet down to about 30%. Highs mid to upper 80s. And the same thing on Sunday, the better coverage of rain just north and west of the state. Monday, moisture levels rise with a little feature coming in from the west, a little upper trough, and that should bring an increase in rain activity again. And then Tuesday, the air dries out slightly. Pretty typical summer day Tuesday. Scattered afternoon and evening storms. Same thing Wednesday. And a week from today, Thursday, July 15th. Got an upper ridge kind of nosing in from the Atlantic. And again, classic summer weather. Partly sunny. A few pop-up random scattered afternoon storms. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, July the 17th. 594 upper high to the west. And again, we're on the periphery of a high coming in from the Atlantic. And again, classic summer weather. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, about 3 inches between now and the 22nd of July. Temperatures stay below 90 on most days. Highs mid to upper 80s. Lows around 70 through the 18th of July. And the CPC outlook, this is for July 15th through July the 21st. Temperatures here very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day,
teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.